Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add friends on your Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. First, to add friends on our Facebook account, let's open up our Facebook app first. And now to add your friends on Facebook, you will need to search for them. You can see the magnifying glass icon on the top right corner of your screen, just beside the friends icon. Tap over there, and after that you will not need to write the name of your friends whom you want to add on your Facebook. For me it will be Mr. Protect, and let's search for him. And you can see the second one is my friend. Tap on his profile, and you can see the add friend of Sonabai level over here. Here you can see his profile and view his pictures or posts. Now to add him, you can see the add friend option available over here on the left side. Tap on the add friend, and you will have sent a friend request to your friend. When they accept your friend request, you will be friends with them on Facebook. And if you can't send a friend request to your friend whom you want to add, probably they have done something on the privacy of theirs, by which we are not able to send them friend request, and you will have to contact them and say to them to send you a friend request to, if you want to add them. And there, guys, this is how you add friends on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.